about compounding effect, compounding. Beautiful concept, right?
Yes, sir.
So, Einstein, it's not easily just namesake, he didn't tell it is the eighth wonder of the world. A small activity, a small saving. If you are going to do continuously for a longer period of time, the impact will be, the output will be unimaginary, unexpected, surprising results by default you people are going to get. That's why. So, the first activity to get financial freedom, save every day at least 1 rupee. Save every day at least 1 rupee. At least 1 rupee. Compulsory required to do that. The second activity, whenever you are getting money, okay, maybe your salary or maybe your some other income, second source of income, third source of income, some way, if you are getting the money, 10% is not yours. 10% pay for yourself. Okay, not for your expenses. That is for you and for your future purpose. If you are not separating, the 10%, yes, you will become, if you are not separating the 10% from
Slave,
your
sir.
income, you will become
Slave, sir.
a slave. A slave. You are going to work for others, not for yourself. Okay, you will become a slave. That's why compulsory, highly recommended, separate that 10%, at least 10% from your income. Yes, multiple times I'm telling, man, the total cinema, the Richest Man in Babylon series, the only one activity, sir, compulsory, at least this activity, if you adapted, the purpose of attending this session, this series is going to be completed, man. That much important. I'm repeating thousands of times, lakhs of times. At least 10%. Pay yourself first. You are important. Your future is important. Your family is important. Your problems are required to consider. Your opportunities we require to utilize. That's why compulsory, at least 10%. I'm going to pay for myself. In the next topic somewhere, even your debts are there. Even the person who gave the debt, who gave the money to you, even he is keeping your shirt, like asking, but still the 10% should be yours only. Remember this. That 10% should be yours only. Okay?